Hi, I'm Damini Celebrity, founder of Explore Your Soulscape. And I thought I would just describe a little bit about what Soulscape is. We're all familiar with landscapes, right? You look outside, there's trees, hills, rivers, sky, all those beautiful things that we get to be part of. So that's our external landscape. Our internal landscape is the world of feelings, emotions, sensations, joy, pain, and our energy, our chakras, our meridians, our subtle energy fields. And why is it important to be connected with your inner and outer landscape? Because then you are whole. When we are connected with our inner and outer landscapes, we have the ability to be sovereign in ourselves and not get sidetracked or waylaid.